Россия – страна богатых водных ресурсов. Russia is a country of rich water resources. So if you want to say Russia is, you don't have to use the verb. Россия страна, okay? Bogатый means rich. Vodny means of water. So this is a what? Plural genitive case. Okay? На ее территории находится много рек, озер. In its territory, there are a lot of rivers and lakes. Рек, озер is what? Plural genitive case. Why do they use the plural genitive cases here? Because after много you have to use plural genitive case. Находится means something is there, okay? But this is what? The third person singular form, right? Why do you use the third person singular form? Because много, if the много is the subject, you use third person singular, okay? So that's why it's находится instead of находятся, right? Самые большие реки Волга, Ob, Irtysh, Yenisei, Lena и Amur. The largest rivers are Volga, Ob, Irtysh, Yenisei, Lena, and Amur. Okay. Largest lakes are, you don't have to say the R for the verb, so you say like this. Самые большие озера Байкал, Ладожское и Онежское. And the largest lakes are Baikal, Ладожское and Онежское. На территории России находится третья часть всех лесов нашей планеты, включая 70 заповедников и 11 природных национальных парков. In Russian territory, there are 1/3 of the whole forests of our planet, including 70 natural reserves and 11 natural national parks. Третья. Третий, what does that mean? It means the third. Третья means 1/3. And часть means part. Третья часть as a whole means 1/3. Alright? So in the Russian territory, there are 1/3 of the whole forests of our planet. So находится here is also singular third person, right? The subject is 1/3. So if you have 1/3 as a subject, you use the third person singular for the verb, alright? Включая. What is this form? This is adverbial participle, alright? How do you make the adverbial participle? Hold on. So the verb is what? Включать, right? So what you make is you make the third person plural form for that. How do you make it this? Включать. Right? Включать. Then you what? Take off the yut and put ya. Включая. And it has the meaning of at the same time this, right? At the same time this. So включать has the meaning of including or going inside somewhere, all right? V has the meaning of going in, and V has the meaning of going out in a word. All right. So включая means including. It's the same as the participle construction in English. Заповедник is natural reserve. You use the plural genitive case because 70 is more than 4. This is also plural genitive for the same reason. По запасам леса Россия занимает первое место в мире. As for the reserve of forests, Russia takes the first place in the world. По has the meaning of for, all right? As for, okay? Zapas is the reserve. As for the reserve, so after po, what case comes after po? The dative, right? But for zapas, they use the plural dative. So zapasam instead of zapasu, right? So let's go to the next. В недрах российской земли лежат огромные богатства. Нефть, газ, уголь, железо, медь, свинец, золото и алмазы. В недрах. So under the Russian earth lies a great riches, crude oil, gas, coal, iron, copper, lead, gold, and diamonds. Недра. This is a neutral noun, but it's always used in plural form. So it's недра instead of недро, alright? So if you want to use it as a prepositional case, you have to make it as недрах, okay? Лежать. Лежать. What does that mean? Лежать means lies. Alright, lies. Богатство is riches. Нефть is crude oil. Уголь, coal. Железо, iron. Медь, copper. Свинец, lead. Золото, gold. Алмаз is diamond. По запасам меди, свинца и других металлов Россия занимается первое место в мире. As for the reserve of copper and lead and other metals, Russia takes the third place in the world. Особенно много полезных ископаемых находится на северо-востоке страны и в Сибири. Especially a lot of useful minerals are at the northeast of the country and in Siberia. Полезный means useful or profitable. Ископаемых. So what is the root form for that? The verb form. Ископать. Okay. Ископать means to excavate, dig. And ископаемых is what? The plural, passive participle. How do you make that? you make the form of a third person plural. Okay. So how do you make the third person plural? Escapayen, right? Escapayen, and then you put escapayemi. All right. So escapayemi is an adjective, but in this case, escapayemiye is is used as a noun. Okay, escapayemiye is minerals. Okay, what is excavated? What is dug? So as I have told you, for manoga as a subject, you have to use the verb in the third person singular, so it's nahojitsa instead of nahojatsa, right? Okay, this is the end. Have you enjoyed? Bye-bye.